Hey, good evening, everyone. I'm Shashank Srivastva, currently project lead at SimplyCue, which is a Paytm-backed company, and over 8 years of experience in a software engineering. So currently, my focus is on AI, agentic AI, and AI-based projects, and currently, particularly how they can perform and their learning, and they can solve how they can solve a problem solving on a MOOC. Okay. So starting with the topic, massive online course and content learning. So this topic, before entering into this topic, so this MOOC has been evolved into our generation easily earlier. Okay. So before going to this MOOC, this I think you have already known as well as Coursera online learning platforms like Coursera and course builder programs, something like that. So you already known them, okay? So these already have changed the way learning by making education more accessible to the candidates or candidates who are into a uh, education. Okay, but when combined with AI, they become a more powerful. Okay, so AI enabled personalized learning where each student get their personalized content and feedback suited to their pace and style. It supports the intelligence of content creation, automatically generating quizzes, summarize, or even case studies. So evolving AI into the MOOC can enhance learning to your personalized content viewing and feeds to your personalized data. Okay, what you are getting is relatable to you. So if we take example of Netflix, so if you watch the movies of on comedy horror, so Netflix always shows you horror and comedy content on top of it. Okay, so you will be unable to access those comedy and horror content. So uh, evolving these techniques into the learning management system and move, so we'll get these things handled by AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, student can get access 24 hours by 7 system uh, for guidance and making learning continuous. With all will also enhance these improvements with the help of chatbots, where candidates can get 24 by 7 inputs and outputs from their queries. Okay. For managerial education, this is especially important for managers. Don't just they need a theoretical properties, but they need a practical real world problems for solving. Like AI driven MOOC can provide simultaneously group collaboration tool for their personalized learning and decision making. This makes learning not just effectively but directly applications based problem solving into the workspace and into the real world problem. With the AI, we help people and candidates to make world a better place. Okay, for learning and management system. To conclude, AI is not just additional move; it's redefining them. It can make managerial education more practical, more adaptively, and future ready. While educators can continue to provide the mentorship with the help of AI and cannot alone replaced by this. Okay, so for detailed presentation of MOOC, I'm overing to Gaurav Sharma, who is currently handling AI-driven softwares. Like he just recently built many tools, AI-related tools, in which one of student screening for tech industries. So over to Gaurav. Hi, Gaurav.
Yeah, I'm audible, Shashank.
Yes, yes. Please continue.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. So, myself, Sharma. I'm working as a Gen AI plus full stack developer for the past 2 years. And with as AI is growing, so I'm interested in this field, and I'm trying to explore all the new tools and technologies that are currently available in the market. So, in this demo, I would like to show you some of them. Just a second, let me share my screen so that I can give you demo for one by one. Okay, I believe my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, Gaurav.
Okay. So first, uh, let's start with the PPT we have presented for this particular demo actually. So in this PPT, we will explain like how AI-driven MOOC can revolutionize education as well as make it easier for learning as well as for creating content as well. So let's start with a fun fact. This presentation is made by Gamma.ai. It is a tool which you will just give the prompt and what are your thoughts on it, and it allows us to create PPTs based on that. So in this one, we tried to explain like how the AI can revolutionize all those things. Like traditional education is highly costly and time consuming. We have to make content for students, and how much time it takes for both the faculty as well as student to create the content as well as learn the content. So AI will help us with all those things in just in just few minutes. I will show you the demo of all of it. So that's the first thing we are trying to resolve here. The second thing is you know uh, dropout rates in colleges are getting increasing because the students are not engaging in the learning, and that's where I think our education system is failing. So because we have not interactive content, uh, to make the content interactive we can help AI. uh, and for personalization also, the thing is the content is written by the writers have written it, and it's a generalized content, so students are unable to connect with it, and they are unable to understand what what this means, and how I can connect it with the real life thing. So AI will help us in that also. And okay, let me. I'm not good with PPTs. Let's jump start straight to how can we create I have created step by step thing, like how can we create an online course, okay, a personalized course for student. My first tool is in this is Whimsical. So this is a tool which we can use to create course outline, mind maps, and all these things. So this is you can go to whimsical.ai, and this tool will appear in front of you. So first thing, let's create. I'm also new to this. Okay. So we text is a prompt option. Yep, there's a prompt option. So suppose I will take general example. Suppose let me see. Yep, generate. It is for outline. It is for creating outline, flowcharts, and mind map. This tool can be used. So generate. Suppose generate a course outline on generate a course on outline on AI in management. Just a sec. And this is another tool I'm going to show you. This one also, it's Grammarly. I use it a lot. As a technical student, I am not good with the spellings, so this will help you fix spellings also. I will come to that part as well. So generate a course outline on AI in management and management decision making. Okay, so as soon as you will click on the create, it will create us, course outline. This is the first thing we show to students. Okay, this is how we can create, like this is the course curriculum, or this is the way which we will be moving forward with the course. So let it generate. Okay, so it is done. Just a second, I think. Yep. Yep. So as you can see here, it has created all of the outline, all these things. Other than that, this tool can be used to generate diagrams as well as notes. You can put notes also here and all these things. So this is the first step. Suppose we are what I'm trying to do here. I am trying to show you how we can create a course without like any human interaction, just with prompts and proper instruction, we can fully create it. So first thing is this one. This is the mind map it created. We can create the docs also, as well as related diagrams to it as well. First thing is this one. Then what we can do, there's another tool called conquer.ai. This one I have edited beforehand. So in this conquer.ai, why this tool? Suppose we have some content, we want to generate quizzes on it. Okay, so this tool can be used to for that as well. I'm taking some random example as they are here, just one. So I'm clicking on, suppose, a Cold War. This is the one. If you want to generate your customized content, you can put it here, and you can give the instruction here only in the previous screen, that I have to generate this text on this topic. It will do it, and then it will come to this customized screen. Then after that, if you click on generate, it will generate not just MCQ, true false also, situation based questions also. So this one will also be taken care of. Let's see. So as you can see, we have the MCQs here. And if you want to validate them, you can validate using Google search also. So we can just directly copy paste them from here to any of the documents we are creating. So we have done the outlining. We can create the MCQ on some particular topics. And this is the one, it is called My Course Box. It will generate the course content actually. Okay. So suppose trade it course on AI, how to learn AI. So suppose I'm writing this. As soon as I will do this, it will give me it will ask me next thing. If it has two options. If we want to generate a course from a PDF, we can do it from here. If you want to generate a course from any website, it will crawl the website and take the content from there, and then it will generate it. But as I'm using the prompt only, I will just go next and next, and it's just next. So it will write the whole content, everything, like from start to finish. So so that whatever, like the teacher or the researcher is, he or she can go through the content, and if they needed any changement or anything, they can do it. Else it will generate the content, as well as we can publish it here as well. So as you can see, it will generate the content for us. So these are the content it will generate. Okay, if we want to add something, delete something from the content, this is the part. Okay, if we are saying like, oh yeah, everything is fine, you can move forward, so we will just create, save and generate content. It will move forward and will start creating the content for us. Right? It takes some time to do that actually, but once it is done, it will be smooth. Just a second. Yep. So here, as you can see, we have our content behind the screen, and one by one, it will do the same for all of the pages. Okay, this is the first page. It is done, and how this is it, right? Yep. Is there any option to move it? Sorry, I'm not familiar with this one actually. So, okay, let's put it on top. Okay, so it generated the content for us. Then one by one, it will go to other pages. AI fundamental history of AI. So it's current, I believe it is currently, it has done that as well. And once everything is done, we can directly publish it, and students can use it. Okay, the another one is these days Google Gemini is also providing the feature for education, like where you can enroll in this Gemini program, and they will teach you how to use these Gemini tools, so that the instructors can be good at showing examples and uh, proper diagrams and all these things to student. Okay, let me like generate we can okay generate diagram. Presentation. Okay, so it will go and it will do that, as well as if suppose someone is unable to understand something, and they are not sure what, like, how how to understand in simple terms and all these things. So as you can see, it has generated a diagram for me, and if I want, I can download it and use it. You can give it prompt to change the theme and all those things. And suppose okay, give graph, give me a paragraph on that. Suppose there is a paragraph. I was telling you about personalized learning in the PPT. So what I meant is, suppose this is I'm unable to understand, or suppose this is a big text. I want to read it faster. So I don't have time to read this much text. It's not that much, I know. But suppose it's of 2 pages. You can just directly paste it here, and can you summarize it for me in 2 lines? Okay, so it will summarize it as well, so that we can get the insight faster. Okay, what it's saying. For this text, it's not that much big or that much super. But suppose you have 100 pages and you have to summarize and you have to read it faster. So in that terms, okay, you can go one more step. Explain in simple terms with example. So, okay, I'm unable to understand all these things, suppose. So it can give you example as well, like, okay, what it meant, how we can understand it properly, all of the thing. It also gives some tools as well, like deep research, if you want to go into some deep mathematical calculation, or maybe some complex scenarios. So this canvas to draw the diagrams as well. This is the guided learning. It will guide you how to create proper structure, how to study, and like, or how to if you want to learn something, what's the proper way for it. And this is the image generation we have just seen. So this is one of the tool. I mostly use this one for, like, suppose there are like so many big documents and I want to understand them faster for my work. So I use this kind of tool. Other one is this Grammarly. This is the one I was showing at the front, at the starting of this demo. This is whenever I am writing, it happens. Like when I was in college, I had like yeah, I remembered spellings properly, but now it's I don't remember much spellings, as auto typing is there and so many things, and I don't have much time to go and, like, okay, if I'm writing the mail, I don't have time. So I have don't have so much time to go and read that mail again, or if there is some grammatical issue and all these things. So Grammarly extension I use to just, like, pinpoint that particular thing. Okay, this is not written properly, as well as it can write for you as well. Suppose you want to write something to someone, it can summarize that one as well for you. And there's the next tool. This one is my favorite. This is called Quillbot. Okay, this can be used in many ways. Suppose this can be like increasing influences, same as Grammarly. This one, not big deal. This is for same as Grammarly, grammar checker. This one, plagiarism checker. So in this one, what happens if you are like doing some kind of test or something. Just a second, sorry. Just a second. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So suppose someone is presenting something and some student submitted something, or you are not sure if they have like learned it as learned it they have written it themselves or just copy pasted for somewhere. So this is the tool mostly industry use for this kind of thing, if it is AI generator or not. This is also the same thing, but like more on the text side. What I mean, like if it is AI generated text, okay, or if this one is like, suppose he copy pasted it from somewhere, like some existing website or something. So this one checks there. This is the humanizer part of it. Suppose you have generated something and you don't want, the all these days how things are, like everything is AI generated. You can just read it and you can find out, oh, this is AI generated, this is not proper. So this is the part you just go and paste. You just go and paste something, whatever you have, and this will convert it into the human written format. Okay, so this one is also a good one. This is the AI chat, same as the chat GPT. This is the summary translator. This is also a good tool. Suppose you have something in some another language and you want to read it, convert it faster and read it. You can just directly paste it. You can convert it to any language of your choice. You can summarize it here only. So this is one another tool. And then yeah, we again back to Gemini. So these are the tools. If you want to go a little bit, a little bit deep, like how the industry things works. So this is the tool which we can use to convert speech to text and text to speech. It means, suppose you have generated a content and you have written a content, you have file or something, and you want students to see its video, like its audio lecture, sorry, not video, audio lectures. So you this tool can directly process your audio. Yeah, definitely, yeah, coding is needed for that a little bit, not so much. A little bit of coding is there. So you can, what you can just directly do, you can paste your code and it will I don't know if you can hear it or not. So this one will convert your whatever your text content is to audio content, so that student with disabilities as well as any other issues can hear it. Some student don't like to read, they can just like, okay, they like to watch and listen. So for the listening part, you are shorted here. There are other tools as well, like by which we can just, in the Gemini as well, in the chat GPT only, we can paste the content and they have the voice option. You can directly ask them question by just, you can just directly ask them question, because I know it's a little bit irritating to just like go and typing on all these things. So this one is also helpful. And there's another one also called also 11 labs. Okay, so this one also, what it does, it provides for multilingual options. Like, okay, you, somebody is there who is not good with English. It's not, it's not a very uncommon scenario, who's not, someone is not good with English, maybe because of his background and maybe another reason. So this tool gives us the feature, we can convert the text to speech in any language we want, any language of our choice. So this is one another tool. And like this only, there are so many tools based on the scenario. I'm on the coding part, so I use the tools to code and to process the document faster, to write the document faster, to create the presentation, to create the work, to do the work faster, to increase my productivity. And these things in day-to-day life help me so much. Okay, now let's come back to our PPT. So okay, so as I told you, automated administration. It's like grading, scheduling, progress tracking, all of the things we can do directly. Personalization, as I shown you, how can we personalize the learning according to us, and accessibility, like global accessibility, no language barriers, no like other barriers. Okay, I can't read. Okay, I am not good with English. Okay, I'm unable to understand English. Nothing, no barriers at all. Then data, like personalize scaling. How, as I said, I was showing example. Like suppose I'm not understanding, please show me, please show me. Yeah, you can even ask to show the diagram because people easily understand by diagram. So this one also targeted support. You can like suppose some students are struggling to learn it, so AI can help them to do that task as well. Uh, like as Shashank mentioned, we have put that example here as well. Netflix learns your behavior. Not only Netflix, if you have observed, suppose you are talking something with your friend on your mobile, then you will see that after some time you will start getting ads based on that. What suppose I'm telling about share market to my friend, then after hour and or two, I will start getting the ads based on that. So that's also on your behavior or what you want to see. The how the AI is also good in like 24/7 intelligent support. How you don't have to wait for the teacher or the instructor to be there. You can just like ask it anytime, no matter like how many times, no matter how, what's your issue, no matter anything, it will be there for you every time. And simulation, as I already showed you, like there are tools out there by which you can create the simulation as well. They are paid tools. I'm unable to show you currently, but there are many tools available. You will just write the prompt and they will create the simulation, video simulation for you for that particular thing. There are currently in the market, there are so many AI influencer, so-called AI influencers are there in the market who are creating the content based on that. And enhanced peer collaboration, it's like it it can design the content based on your skill, your learning, your pace, everything. Okay. Then this is the assessment also, not only the learning part. Suppose I mostly use it. Suppose I'm preparing for something, so every day I'm like creating, personalized question for me. Okay, I'm preparing for this exam. This is the exam pattern. Can you please search the web and make this personalized question list for you? I'm preparing there, and using the chat GPT, I'm using like the voice option, preparing me for the interview. Okay, I'm asking like giving it a prompt. Then okay, you can behave as an interviewer and take my interview, and in the end of that I am taking my feedback, which is not possible for everyone because these are costly things, but with AI it is possible for you. And this one also, yeah, how it is like overcoming these challenges, we are reducing the dropout rates. How? Because if we are interested in something, there are less chance of getting dropout. Scalable course management, we don't have to allocate much resources like money, manpower in that, because every course needs manpower to create the content, then to assess the student, and then to improve, and all these things. It will help in us in this that as well. Okay. And then, yep, these are the future trends which I already told you about, like content generation. These are like these time people are learning about AI because AI can handle almost everything. Not everything, almost everything, if you want to learn. And these are the ones. Yep, these are the training. Some of the trainings, if you want to take, there are so many courses available like Stanford, Ahora AI, Salesforce. As I showed you, Gemini also. There are so many teaching courses out there if you are interested in this field. And this is how we are. This is our PPT conclusion, that AI can help you if you want to grow. AI can help you reduce cost. No, if you don't know anything, no issue. AI can help you learn it. AI can help you it move faster. Other than this PPT, I would like to like share some of the our personal, personal learning, or how we do. What we are currently showing is very, very top of it. There are like so many. It has so much depth while we are making something, designing something. For our current company, as Shashank mentioned, we have created an AI interviewer which will take the interview your behalf, which will shortlist the candidate. So it will save so much money for the organization, because taking interviews is a lot of, a lot of time taking process. The same goes not for the yeah, it is for education. It was education PPT, but it has so many, uh, other applications. Yeah, other applications, like while preparing the candidates for their interviews, we can use AI. Learning we covered, like counseling also. So, and there are like limitation also about AI. The limitations are, sometime it hallucinates. Okay, so we have, sometime it hallucinates. So what happens, sometime you're asking something, and if the information is not so much available on the internet, behind the scene AI also, just go through the internet, uh, go through the internet, and combines all of the info and present in a simple language. So sometimes there is not much info available. It hallucinates, it generates content which doesn't exist. So, but this problem is getting resolved by the new models that are coming every day, by like ChatGPT 5 came recently, Grok 4 is coming. So yeah, these are the things. Do you have any question, like any of you until now? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, yes, Gaurav. You have been audible.
Yeah.
So, any of you, any questions, please raise. We'll try to resolve them. Okay, Ankit, can candidate ask question by unmuting themselves? Yes, we'll share the slides after this uh, conversation. I think you can ask, put your queries in chat box. We'll cover them. Gaurav, someone is asking like if these tools are paid or free. So,
Yeah,
are these tools? Yeah, please continue.
whatever I have shown you, they have both version, paid or free. Paid has much more capabilities, but I always use the free one only. So we don't like free one will free one is sufficient for you. I'm using them for everyday task. So I until now I have not faced any issues. Yeah, AI can generate MOOC courses that are plagiarism free. Definitely, what you can do, like you can generate a course, and you can paste it to Quillbot to humanize it, as well as definitely once you will generate a course, you will go through it. Okay, if all the content is proper or not, it can be done. That's not an issue. So, I'm not too sure because your question, smart AI tool in research with data. The thing is, I'm thinking that you are asking like, okay, if there are tools which can help us in our research. The recent models with like Chat GPT 5, Chat GPT 4, ChatGPT 4o, as well as these ones, Anthropic model are really good for research. They even beat humans on that. Engineers and humans, they have beat into that. So you can use them. Definitely, they are paid.
Gaurav, can you show them? There is a option of research. You can check them while giving them prompt. So check on research only. So they'll act like a researching models. Okay.
The thing is, okay, the thing is, whoever is asking the question, sorry, I have not seen that. So whoever is asking this question, the thing is, it depends on model to model. The initial model that came are the initial if you remember the first time ChatGPT came, it was a very simpler model. You can just ask prompt, it will give you answer. But with the new model, the model is pre-trained on this thing. You don't have to select anything. Use GPT-5, Anthropic, Claude 4, Sonnet, Claude 4 Sonnet. These are already trained on the complex thing. Gemini, Flash, Gemini 2.5. These are the models you need for your task. Okay, out of these tools, can you rank top three? So actually, it's a it's a bit of biased decision because it depends what you need them to do. Okay, so some at some place some tool is good, at some place some other tool is good. Suppose I also use, oh, let me show you. I use this Perplexity Pro. Okay, so this is the one. This is a Perplexity I use. It's a free version also. So what it does, it is same as the Google search. You will search something. What it will do, it will not hallucinate. It will not hallucinate. What it will do, suppose I want to search something, it will go through the web. It will read through all of the website in real time. I am saying in real time, it will read all of through the website, and it will then show you the content in natural language, so that you can resolve your query. These are the guys that are in talks to buy Google Chrome now. Okay, Perplexity. So this one is also good. So if you're asking ranking, I can't rank them. It depends on condition. Suppose sometimes one tool is good for this task, sometimes other tool is good for other task. So that's how.
So yes, there is also option of you can see, if you see a search icon is there, which is already selected by Gaurav. So if you Gaurav, if you select the bulb like icon, so that is a research type icon. Okay. So if you enable the research, it will take time like 10 to 15 minutes, and it crawl all over the website with respect to your queries, and it will take time to deep research all the topics, and will give you like much better response on like that.
And not only this one, models I was talking. See, currently I'm using GPT-5. Claude Sonnet is also very good for, and you, as you can see, they have already given reasoning, thinking. If you want your model to have thinking capabilities, they have given you. But as I said, the more complex or more advanced model you need, it is on the paid. It's not that much costly actually. It's $20 a month, like 1,700 rupees. That's it if you want to use. And believe me, I use in my most day-to-day task, and it helped me so much. Okay. Yeah, as I said, like Quillbot, as someone is asking, Quillbot is paid after certain limit. Yeah, as I said, they have a free limit. After that, you have to pay. Same goes for the Chat GPT. Same goes for the Claude and all these things. But like for the basic task, Quillbot has some issue, this paid one. But for the Chat GPT, Gemini, they don't have. If you will use Claude Sonnet, it will give you only 10 prompts. But it is very good in reasoning and thinking. Okay. Some Samir Saxena has asked me, suppose I want to understand one subject which I have not studied so far. So what tool you suggest for taking help to better understand the respective subject? Okay, Samir, for this question, let me tell you some background story. So what happens? Like for this, for anything at all in our life, we have to we should have that context in our mind. Okay, context means like whatever we can remember. Suppose someone is asking me about science, I have whatever is in my mind about that subject is my context window. Same goes for the AI tools. AI tools has a context window, so it can remember up to a certain limit. Okay, we say this like it's not said words in AI language, it called tokens. So they have some certain limits, but in the paid version they have big context window. Okay, so what this is the one I personally apply, as engineering is a day-to-day changing field. So what I do, if I want to learn something like a certain language, I go to that particular model and like tell like, okay, I want to this is what should be the my planning thing. Okay, what should be my plan? First it generates me the plan, then I ask the content one by one, taking notes, making all these things, and that's how I proceed. And it always helps me. So you can go with the same approach, but as I said, it has limitation which has not been resolved yet, that it has a context window. It context window means whatever it like context window means it can what it can remember from your previous conversations. Okay, but I think most of the time you to solve it, to resolve it, I will also tell you, to resolve it, keep a file .txt file with you, and what .txt file, and keep sending it back. Okay, these are the topics we have learned, let's give me task, or what should I how should I learn with the new topic. Put it like this way, so this way you can resolve this context window issue. Okay, okay, next thing, yeah, Dr. Rajneesh, yeah, definitely. After this meeting, I will add the tools in the PPT as well. Okay, and there are like other tools as well. I will add them also. So Ishita Das asked, how should one use AI for preparing transcripts for MOOC courses? So as I believe the transcript you means like the content is in video and you want to give the text of the the text context of that particular video to students, or so there are so many like tools available for that. What you can I have to look for them, but there is a actually in our application we have used, there is a tool called Cloudinary. Okay, Cloudinary. So what Cloudinary does, you feed it your video to that tool, and it will put out the transcript for you. So Cloudinary is the one what you are asking. Some of it is free. As you move forward it will be paid. There are maybe other tools as well, I have not explored that part, but you can use Cloudinary and then ask ChatGPT, I have this issue. Cloudinary is the paid one, give me the free alternative, so it will do that for you. Okay, for that. No, Dr. S Sudha Parimala, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but these tools are buyable by an individual. You can definitely buy them, as well as they give option to buy as a team. Okay, like 5 people, 10 people, they are like business cases. So both options are available. So Pushplata is asking, how can we integrate AI-driven MOOCs with existing learning management systems in universities or corporate? So what we can do, they're like these. I don't know if you know this term or not. To interact with all these tools, these company provide APIs. Okay, APIs. It's a technical term. So with these APIs, like whoever is writing your website, or your website or your software, know this word API. You can use these APIs to integrate in your website, and then you can directly use it. Okay, that's your answer. Shobha Anjali is asking, if I use ChatGPT or Quillbot or any other, will be the data stored by them? It's actually up to you. They're like the history will be stored. The history will be stored definitely. But if you don't want them, there is an option to that as well. As I said, it's the same concept of context window. You don't want it to remember, they will not remember it. So it's up to you. Okay. Somebody is asking, can we get a fresh subscription of yeah, somebody not asking, somebody is saying, yeah, we can. Currently there's a, there's a offer by Airtel, that if you purchase Airtel plan, mostly on the Wi-Fi, you can get it 12 month subscription, pro subscription free, and on which you can have access to all of these models. Like I am having like all of access of all of these models, so you can use that as well. So this way you will get both benefits, like Wi-Fi also as well as this model also. Okay, the next one is Dr. Rajani is asking, any tool that can prepare ready to send questionnaire for survey to respondents by giving a prompt of research title. Yeah, every tool can do that. Every tool can do that. You can just paste it to any tool. And you know what? You don't need some heavy model for that also. You can paste your content that, okay, I have this content. Please generate a list of survey question, 10 question, 20 question, whatever for me, and it will do that for you. It's very easy. Dr. Lakshmi Negi is asking how reliable, authentic, and possible to write an authentic research paper with the help of AI. See, with the new growing models, it's possible to write authentic as well as good research paper, but reliable, I will not say, because that's, as it is research thing, it can hallucinate. It needs human supervision. Definitely, it will need that. But with the growing models, every day coming new models, soon we will have a model that can resolve this reliability issue as well. But for writing, for gathering data, and for writing good content, you can definitely use AI. For authentication, you can either change manually by going through and by reading and going through, or using Quillbot like services to humanize it. Okay. So Dr. Rajani is asking, generally we got question which we have to add in Google form or any other form which takes time. Can you suggest tool ready to send questionnaires to sample? Okay, okay. So I believe you are asking, like, is there any tool which can, uh, give you question and you can directly publish it? Okay. So in the Google form, you have to, I am not too sure, but maybe they have attached Gemini to it. So with Gemini, you can do that. And if that is not happening, because I'm not too sure about that, it may be, but it is, if it is not there, you can use this one. You can this conquer.ai. It will help you. See, as you can see, share. You can share it directly from here. But if you need, the Google thing, then you have to either, take it the question from here, then paste it one by one, or use look for if the Gemini is giving you this option, because these days Gemini is giving us option to create to write content or to add content in Google Docs as well as in the email also. I'm not too sure if you guys have tried it. So Gemini is giving that one to us currently. Okay. Pushpalata is asking, can you briefly describe about API? So the thing is, API, to explain in simple language, API is a medium by which you can interact with some another website or the backend of your application to carry the data for you. Okay, I hope it clears that. Okay. Okay. So, Amuthan, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. If it is asking if it is created through AI, what about the plagiarism? Will the software identify that is generated through AI? Yeah, it will definitely definitely it will identify that it is generated through AI. But like what uh, what the scenario is, you are not writing it for some interview or something, so it doesn't matter for that. And if you are too conscious about that, use any tool which just humanize the content, like Quillbot. It will resolve your issue. Or you can write the content by chat GPT. Just read it once, you will get the context, then write it yourself. That's how it can be done. Okay. So Swarnalatha is asking, without AI, it's possible to create without AI, it's possible to create new innovative research paper. I mean, pros and cons of AI. So the pros and see, everything can be done by hand, but whatever you will be writing in 20 days, AI can do it for you in a single prompt. Now, instead of writing it for 20 days, you can just go through it in 2 or 3 hours. You can fix the issues, whatever you think, or whatever you think there should be points. It will make you more faster. Whatever the work we do in companies, suppose we are writing a code, if I was writing it in half hour last time, like 2 years ago, now I am writing it in like 3 minutes and then fixing the bug by going, you have to supervise the AI. It's like an assistant. It's not like it can replace you currently, but it's like assistant to you. And as you know, with assistants, you have to guide them, you have to look for their work. So Dr. Rajni is asking, how how to maybe know how to update knowledge about these AI tools. Okay, so how can we update? See, how I know, because I explore. Today I gave you some insights about it. You can go through these tools. Okay, suppose you don't know anything. Okay, let me show you something. You don't know anything. You don't know what AI is. You don't know anything. You don't know which tool I need. Nothing I do. Just
Gaurav,
go.
just a
Yeah,
second. Sorry to interrupt. You can show them Toolify.ai where they can find relative tools.
yeah. This one also I will give you them also. But this one also. Suppose you don't know. Okay, you don't know anything. You don't know which tool I use. What should I use? Just go to any website. Perplexity, Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you like. Go there. Give me list of AI tools which will help me convert my uh, video to transcript, which will help me convert video to, sorry, with my spellings as I already said, transcripts. Okay, that's it. Nothing to worry about. That's it, guys. It will give you tools. Go and explore them one by one. Now it's up to you. See, somebody was asking this question, so whoever it was, this is your answer, and this is the option. If it is try, free trial, free option, you have this. That's it. That's your, like, that's what you have to do, nothing else. Just go and search it on any AI tool. They will give you the list of tool. You can just go and explore one by one. All of these will do the same thing, some lesser, some more. Whatever suits you well, just use it. Okay. If you want another, this one, this is a website where you will see all of the existing tools, all of the tools that exist in the market currently. Okay, all of the tools. Just ask it. Just ask it, like video making, all of the AI tools. It will give you those tools. If you want to search it by category, they will give you that also. Okay. I think not this one, not this one. I think I said something. Yep. Products. See, here it was. Category products. Okay. See, AI blog generator, AI chat generator for music, image analysis, audio, video, daily life, all of the tools you need and all of the existing tools, good tools in the market, you can directly get here. Okay, I'm giving you this link, guys. You don't need anything else after that. I think this will be more than enough for your where to set it. Okay, here it is. This one, you guys can take it. I hope this will help you. This has like this is the one I don't usually use this because I know the tools, but for someone like you who's like exploring, there are so many tools you have to explore them. And you know the good thing, just click on this AI celebrity. Suppose I'm just AI celebrity voice generator. It will go give you the list of all the companies that provide you this see this one, any of the one you click this, they give the option also, visit the website. Just click on the website and you will reach there. That's it, it's that easy. Any other question, anyone, like any of it, I would be like, I would be happy to resolve that. I could like go in much more depth, but the thing is like you are not aware of the background thing of it. So I'm just keeping on a very high level. But I think this is like more than enough if you are using it for the day-to-day life. Okay, let's
I
see.
think it summarizes all. But if we conclude the session in sort of like if we say good content is just a prompt away. Okay, this is not correct. A good content is just a good prompt away. Okay, you
Yeah.
have to learn about prompt engineering as well. You must have to learn about how prompt works, like how to give prompt to the all chat GPTs, or how to give prompt to these tools. So you must have to learn about prompt engineering as well. So
Somebody's asking, sorry to interrupt, somebody's asking how AI tool help in full stack development. Maybe some engineers there, Shoma, RS.
yes,
So what you can do, there are tools like Cursor, Windsurf, on which you can, let me show, why don't I show? So this is, suppose I'm writing something. This is a node file. I'm writing something. This is my, we can just like directly open the chat. Okay, we can directly like open the chat. I can, this is my file. I can give my reference to the file. Okay, this is the model I can select. There are like a lot of models. This is the model I select. Uh, we can just give the prompt here. I'm just giving a very basic example. I'm just like writing it. It will go and it will generate it for us. And once simple hello world program in Node.js, it's just that easy. You can just directly copy paste it. If you are feeling too lazy today, just like there is an option. Set the new file. Just a second, there was an option.
I think only
File.
the screen is not moving away. So can you please reshare it?
Oh, okay. My screen is not visible to me. Huh? Just a
The
second.
screen is static.
Yeah,
On
yeah,
the,
okay, okay. Okay, no issue. Just a second. Is it visible now, guys?
yes, yes.
Okay. So let's leave this thing. Okay, let's create a new file. Let's create a new file. Demo dot demo dot js demo.js I'm writing. Okay, this is the AI, AI, what I can say, AI chat box they give for the coding purpose. Okay, write a program for me to uh, I'm very basic. I'm writing print uh, counting, print counting, even counting. Let's make it little complex. Even counting. Okay, and this is the reference it has already taken for this particular file. As you can see, this file name is demo.js. So that's it. That's what you have to do. It will work. It's working on it. Our code is there. If you want, you can just like directly apply to demo.js. It has like, it will even write that code for you guys. Okay, it will even write that file for you. And if you are like not too sure about writing or something, see, it has just written this thing for me. Now it's up to you if you want to keep it or not. Just that's it. You will run it and your code will work. So it's a very, it's a very basic example. You should have the knowledge of full stack, definitely. But what I am saying is, it will make, it will not replace you. It will make your day-to-day work easier. You know something, you have to do it faster. Sometime like, if you are making some, suppose you are making some article for college or your daily blog or whatever, and you're like, oh, I know this thing, I have to write it all night. Now you don't. Just give a prompt that this is what I want. It will generate it for you, and then you can change it however the way you want. So that's it. That's the thing. Okay, let's see. We have a new question.
Because someone is asking, we are being less creative with the AI. So
No, that's not the thing. That's completely out of the window. That's not the thing. If you don't, you know, if you learn something, suppose you are learning to, you are learning to drive a car. Suppose you are learning to drive a car. If you will not give your effort, then it's meaningless. Even if the, like, Tesla is giving the automated cars these days. So now somebody will say, oh, now because we are not driving the car ourselves, we are like going down. That's not the thing. You should know this is up to you how you want to use it. Use it for your productivity, not use it to like replace you. If you depend on it and you don't know what you're writing, then it's better than you. That's the thing. It's our mindset. Okay.
take the healthy diet of good prompt engineering and
Yeah,
these two.
it's just use it as your assistant, not use it as your professor. Use it as your assistant to teach you, to do work for you, and to make your life easier. Use it like that. Uh, okay. Yeah, Samir is asking, will AI impact the job in the market? What do you think? Or will it open new era? If you don't know it, somebody who is better than you in AI will do better work than you, will be faster than you, will take your job. That's the rule. I'm not making it. That's the rule. But losing it to only AI, that still has a lot of time. Any AI tool which can teach prompt, Vikas is asking. So Vikas, the thing is, always follow one simple thumb rule. Always ask it like a child. You will instruct the child wrong, he will do it wrong. Instruct it properly, it will give you proper answer. Always don't assume that it will auto think what you want. Tell it properly, line by line, clearly, then it's a good prompt. That's the only thing. What is sorry, Neeraj, I'm not too sure what this SPSS mean. Can you please tell me? I'm not too sure what this SPSS mean. Ah, software for research, statistical. Okay. So see, okay. So the thing is, you can make it, but it's like shooting an arrow in the dark. If you don't know it, it will make for you. Like if you want to do suppose, think it like this way. Suppose you are telling someone to like drop you at your office or somewhere. If you know the route, if the somebody who's driving the car doesn't know the route, properly, you can instruct him. Okay, you can instruct him, go this way and drop me there. Then it will be faster. If you both don't know and he knows how to drive, then you have to figure out with it. So many prompts you have to, you know, so many prompts you have to give. It will give you the correct answer after some time, but it's a long way. Think it like that. Any other question, guys? No, it's not, sir. I'm just, it's just I'm just also learning. So yeah. Any other question you guys can ask? Anything related to AI part, any query, I'm happy to resolve it. If you want to go in the technical definitions, I'm open to that as well.
Thank you, Goro, for this wonderful session. I think it conclude it concludes our
Okay.
session, and resolves the queries also. So over to Ankit and Rakhi. So please take over. Thank you, guys.